Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's incredibly important for all of us: financial independence and retirement planning. Whether you're just starting your career or looking to retire soon, understanding these concepts can make a world of difference in your financial journey. So, let's get started. Section 1. What is financial independence? First things first, let's define financial independence. It's the ability to live the lifestyle you want without being dependent on a paycheck. Imagine waking up every day without financial stress. Sounds amazing, right? But achieving this goal takes planning and discipline. Here are some strategies to help you get there. Section 2. Assess your current financial situation. Start by assessing your current financial situation. Track your income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. Creating a personal balance sheet can give you a clear picture of where you stand. This is the foundation of any successful financial plan. Section 3. Set clear goals. Next, set clear financial goals. Ask yourself, what does financial independence look like for you? Define both short-term and long-term goals. Having clear objectives will keep you motivated and focused. Section 4. Create a budget. Now, let's talk about budgeting. A budget is your roadmap to financial independence. Use the 50-30-20 rule as a guideline. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and investments. This method helps you prioritize your spending and saves for your future. Section 5. Build an emergency fund. An emergency fund is crucial. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses. This fund acts as a safety net, allowing you to handle unexpected expenses without derailing your financial goals. Section 6. Invest wisely. Now let's get into investing. Start by educating yourself on various investment options like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. And remember, the earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Section 7. Plan for retirement. Retirement planning is a big part of financial independence. Use retirement calculators to estimate how much you'll need. Consider maximizing contributions to retirement accounts like your 401k or IRA. If your employer offers a matching contribution, take full advantage of that. It's free money. Section 8. Strategies for sustainable income in retirement. When it comes to retirement, think about sustainable income sources. Explore passive income opportunities such as dividends, rental income, or even starting a side business. And don't forget about Social Security. It can play a role in your retirement income plan. Section 9. Common mistakes to avoid. Now let's cover some common mistakes to avoid. Don't wait too long to start saving. Many people underestimate their retirement expenses, so plan for inflation and market fluctuations. It's better to overestimate your needs than to fall short. Section 10. Resources and tools. I want to share some great resources. Books like The Total Money Makeover and Rich Dad, Poor Dad are fantastic starting points. Apps like Mint or Personal Capital can help you track your finances and investments. To wrap it up, achieving financial independence and planning for retirement requires dedication and smart strategies. Start assessing your financial situation, set clear goals, and take action today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of my future content. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your financial journeys. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.